Hello everyone, Neo again here from TopFX, and in this video I'm going to briefly explain what is the Autochartist as well as the Trading Central. So the Autochartist and the Trading Central are external services provided for free to all TopFX cTraders, and they provide with investment advice. Now, before we proceed any further, please understand, keep in mind that TopFX provides the services for free, yet TopFX should not be kept and will not be kept liable for the trading outcome. In other words, if the trader wishes to use those two services from either Trading Central or Autochartist, regardless of the trading outcome, TopFX are not liable. Okay, so in other words, if you lose money, it's not TopFX's fault. You're taking the risk of using those services. And what do those services do? They provide with investment advice. They provide with signals. But also keep in mind, even though they are updated daily, they're not offered in all the asset classes and all assets. And also, as I said, they updated daily. But if, for example, today, let's go with Trading Central. Trading Central today offers for the GBP USD a signal. It does not mean that it offers for the Euro USD. As you can see, it's not there, or the Euro GBP or any other asset. You need to search and see if a signal is available. Now, if you decide to do so by clicking on Trading Central, which is under the trading panel, okay, you would get the signal and the option of whether that is buy or sell, and there is also the description. So if you click on it, you get a lot more information regarding the signal. And also if you click open chart, another chart would appear, so on and so forth. Now, moving on to Autochartist, it does the exact same thing with signals updated daily, but also the same story happens that if today there is a GBP USD, it does not mean necessarily that it could be there tomorrow. Also, as we said before, the Autochartist does not provide signals for all the assets, so you need to search and see if, let's say, I decide to trade gold instead of Forex, for example, and I click on gold. Today, as you can see, there is one. Tomorrow there might be more, or even later in the afternoon. Be as it may, if you decide to choose the Autochartist, you just click on Autochartist, which is above the trading panel, as you see right here, or right below, right here. You can click on Show More. You can click on it, and again, the information opens up where you can decide again if you want to use it or not. And this is it for both Trading Central and Autochartist. Again, let me repeat, it's an external service provider. TopFX offers it for free, but regardless of the trading outcome, TopFX will not be kept liable. If you decide to use them, you're taking upon the risk. Again, thank you for watching. My name is Neo. See you in the next video.